Hey everyone, welcome back to our English podcast. I'm Jaxon.
And I'm Lina. We're so happy you're here with us today.
Today's topic is your morning, what you do after you wake up.
Yes, we'll practice easy sentences about daily habits.
Before we start, quick reminder, please like, follow, and share this podcast.
It helps us a lot, and it helps more learners too. Thank you.
Okay, let's begin. Listen first, discuss, then listen again.
Let's start with the first moment of the day.
We say, I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Or, I wake up early. Or, I wake up late.
Let's listen to a short dialogue. Just listen.
What time do you wake up, Jaxon?
I wake up at 6 o'clock. I wake up early.
Wow, I wake up at 8 o'clock. I wake up late.
Early means before. Late means after.
Now repeat after us. I wake up early.
I wake up late.
Good job. Nice, clear English.
After we wake up, we get ready.
Common actions are, I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I take a shower.
Let's listen again. What do you do after you wake up?
I brush my teeth and wash my face.
I take a shower and get dressed.
These are daily habits. We do them every day.
Now repeat with us. I brush my teeth.
I wash my face.
Great job. You sound very natural.
After getting ready, we eat breakfast.
We say, I eat breakfast.
And I drink tea, or I drink milk.
Let's listen.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs and bread. I drink tea.
My quick breakfast is a banana and milk.
Did you hear quick breakfast?
Yes, quick means fast and small.
Now practice with us. I eat breakfast.
I drink milk.
I drink milk.
After breakfast, many people go out.
We say, I go to work. I go to school.
Or I stay home.
Let's listen.
Where do you go in the morning?
I go to work at 9 o'clock.
I go to school early at 7:30.
You can add time. That's great English.
Repeat with us. I go to work.
I go to school.
Perfect. Very clear. Now let's hear a full morning talk. What time do you wake up, Jaxon?
I wake up at 6:30. Then I brush my teeth and take a shower.
Do you eat breakfast at home?
Yes, I do. I eat eggs and drink tea. Then I go to work.
Nice. I wake up at 8, eat a quick breakfast, and go to school.
Did you hear the order? Wake up, get ready, eat, go out.
This is how we talk about daily habits.
You can use the word then to show order. Then I eat. Then I go out.
Now it's your turn. Answer out loud, okay?
What time do you wake up?
What do you do after you wake up?
What do you eat for breakfast?
Where do you go in the morning?
Excellent. Even short answers are perfect. Good job.
Let's recap today's key phrases.
I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I eat breakfast. I go to work, or I go to school.
And don't forget the word then. Then I eat, then I go out.
Remember, practice every day, even a little.
You are improving step by step. We're proud of you.
Now our community question for you. What's the first thing you do in the morning? And what time do you wake up?
Tell us in the comments. We really want to hear from you.
Thank you for learning with us today.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and have a great morning.
Bye, everyone. See you next time.